What up? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I know it's been a while. It's been quite a few weeks since I uploaded my last video. I'll tell you guys why it's been that long, why I haven't been uploading that much content lately, and why it will change from now on. Let's just give this little beauty a nice little the walkthrough that it deserves. Beauty. Cold day today. It's like 40 degrees right now, 42. But you know what, I haven't been on the bike in weeks and weeks. The last time that I uploaded a video was the last time that I was on this bike. And God, have I missed it. I don't know, today I just got this urge to just wanted to ride today, and I need to feel it, man. I need to feel the freedom today. I need to breathe. I feel like I gotta let this air out. Woo! That feels good. Wow, how I miss this. I can't believe I've gone so long already not being on this bike, man. But part of that has to do with bad weathering. Obviously, it's just, I live in Jersey, so for those of you who just don't know. So yes, it's winter time right here right now. It's been 30s, 20s lately. It was a high of 44 earlier. That was it. That was, the nicest weather. And me, when I like to upload my videos, I like to do my videos on my bike riding. Yes, I've done videos just me talking in the garage and everything, but these are more the type of videos I like to comment as I ride. I just I like to share the road with you guys and bring you along for the ride. Most of all, I gotta go. I don't know, I feel like I just have like some crazy anxiety today, man. I think I need like I need a cigarette or something, man. Let's see how this ride does. Let's see if I feel better. If not, we'll go get a cigarette. Oh, how I missed turning. Wake up, baby. I think this is what I needed. I feel better already. This cold wind is just waking me up. Feel better. I feel the adrenaline running through me now. It's the best thing about having a bike. If you're ever having one of those days where you just feel like you have some type of anxiety or something, or you just not in the mood, you get on your bike, you go out, enjoy the freedom, enjoy the air hitting you, and it's just you and the road. It's the best time to clear up your mind, take a deep breath, and enjoy the scenery. I mean, that's one of the reasons, I'm assuming, why we all ride, no? But yeah, let me give you guys a brief update of what's been going on. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, so you know what's going on in my personal life, I just got back from a week vacation that I spent in Europe. My wife and I went out to Europe for a whole week. We visited 4 countries. It was amazing. We went to France, and while we were in France, we stayed in Paris. Paris is such a beautiful city, man. I loved it out there. Food was amazing as well. Visited tons of museums out there. Went to the Opera House, Eiffel Tower, went to the Louvre Museum, saw the Mona Lisa in person, which was amazing. The Louvre Museum is amazing, so if you guys ever want to take a trip out to Paris, make sure to visit the Louvre. After that, we took the train out from France to Switzerland on the day of my birthday, because it was my birthday last week. That's why we went out there. And we took the train out to Switzerland just to go have lunch at this spa that it's top of a mountain. You're able to see the Alps, and you're able to see the whole lake in the bottom and the whole bottom of the city of that part of Switzerland. It's beautiful. I even they gave us hot wine, which I've never had before, and I was skeptical about it at first. I was like, hot wine? I've never had hot wine. And I'm talking about room temperature. I'm talking about steaming hot wine. It was delicious. So if you haven't tried it, give that a try. It's really good. The following day, we went back to France that day. And then the following day, we took the train out to London. London had to be my favorite city out of the whole trip. It is such a beautiful city. Nice, clean, everyone's really friendly, food's good. We visited a royal castle, which was amazing. That's where they keep all the royal jewels at. The royal jewels, you know what I'm talking about? And I'm not talking about the royal jewels down there, you know? That was really cool. A lot of history. We went to Tower Bridge. We went to see Big Ben, but we couldn't fully see it because it's under construction. And a few other places. So, I mean, London, we're planning on going back 2 years from now or so. We want to go back with the kids and everything, and experience it, just stay there for a few days. It is such a beautiful city, man. Let me see. After that, we came back that same night. We took the train back to France. Then we were in France for the day. And then the next day, we took a plane out to Spain. Spain, we were in Barcelona. Beautiful city as well. The food out there, God, all bunch of tapas all day, and that Infinity is really slow, making all that noise for no reason. Yeah, tapas are really, really good. We went to see La Sagrada Familia Church, which was in a beautiful, beautiful church. We went to the Picasso Museum. That was amazing. And then we catch a few shows here and there. Pretty cool. And after that, we just came back to the States. So it was a full week of European lifestyle. God, the culture out there is so different. Everything is so laid back. Everyone's just more chill. The food is like so fresh. Totally different. Like, it's such a culture shock being out there. And I mean, I loved every minute of it. Pretty cool. So salute to all you guys out there in Europe. Amazing countries. Definitely want to go back. And that's it. So that's what I spent the last week doing. And if you're still wondering why I still haven't put the fairing on the bike, it's because I went to Harley Davidson after getting back from my vacation, and I went in. I'm like, hey, it's been literally 2 months now. I've been waiting for this bracket to install the fairing on it. I can't. And there's nothing they can tell me. I mean, if you go online now, you'll see that it's available to purchase, but he was telling me that even though it's available to purchase, the list of people that are waiting for that piece is so long, because it's been on back order for so long, that they're just filling up the back orders first before the next person can just go online and purchase it, which, you know, it totally sucks. I mean, we're talking about 2 months here waiting for a damn bracket. I mean, it's really upsetting. I'm gonna say it again. You know, you pay I don't know if it was $500, $300 for his fairing, and it sucks that the fairing doesn't come with the bracket. I mean, it's a shame that I gotta go and pay $100 or something for a bracket, and I gotta wait 2 months to install. I mean, it's pretty shitty, and I think it's something Harley Davidson definitely needs to work on. I mean, and the thing with Harley Davidson is that they want to get everything, every buck they can get with anything, with their accessories and the parts and everything. And I mean, I understand it's a business, but come on, guys, like 2 months for a back order. And then he was telling me that, you know, maybe if that piece might be getting made in China. I'm like, he told me that. I'm like, China? I mean, I thought we were making everything here in the US. He was like, no, some parts are being made in China. So with everything going on now with the coronavirus, I mean, that part could be on a ship. That ship could be quarantined. We're talking about another 2 weeks. And I'm like, oh my God. So I'm like, at this point, I'm like, I want to give the piece back. I don't want it anymore. And I'm thinking about going with the basic fairing that every low rider person goes with. I'm not even going to mention it. And then I'm like, no, I really don't want to do that. The reason why I went with Harley Davidson fairing was for my bike to look different and not look like every other low rider out there, because everyone gets the same fairing, and I'm not going to do a Memphis Street fairing. I'm sorry. The fairing looks amazing. It's pretty cool, but every person with a low rider has it. Everybody looks the same. I like my bike to look different, my own special touch. So that's that. So I'm just going to play the waiting game. So let's get into that as well. Another reason why I haven't uploaded video is because I was just waiting to upload that video, and then I got really pissed. I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to upload another video until I get that piece on. I'm not going to do anything else to the bike. That's the next thing I wanted to do. And that's why it's been taking me so long. But now I'm like, you know, forget that. I'm just gonna play the waiting game, and while I do that, I'm gonna get something else. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is buy the black levers for the brake and clutch levers here, and buy grips and have them installed at the same time as well. That's gonna be the next thing I do. So not next week, I'm gonna purchase them the week after, because I got bills to pay and I got a mortgage to pay. And sometimes I might get people asking me like, oh, like, why haven't you done this to the bike? Dude, I pay a mortgage, I pay bills, and I got a bunch of kids. So if it was up to me, hey, if I was able to get everything on this bike, then, you know, I would have probably almost been done adding everything I wanted to this bike. But that's not the case, man. Some of these YouTubers, you know, they got hundreds of thousands or 500,000 viewers, subscribers, and, you know, they make a living off that. I don't. I make a living off my job. I do this YouTube thing just, you know, just as a hobby, because I like to share what I'm doing with my bike. This is my hobby. This is my toy, and I love it. So that's that. So that's the main reason why I haven't been uploading either. So weather 1, 2, I've been on vacation. 3, I was upset about the whole fairing thing. And 4, I don't know. I've been resting a lot. Just been coming home from work, just wanted to play with the kids or just hang out. And I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty as well. So my time's been taken up by Call of Duty and my family, basically. But I think we're back to it now, where I'm uploading this video today. Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm gonna be uploading another video. So wait for that, and then hopefully next Sunday, we're expected to have around 50 to 55 degree weather. So I plan on hopefully going out for a nice another cold ride, but it'll be much better than today. And we'll upload that. Oh, this cold ride feels good! What I also need to do, I got another video coming up in 2 weeks, which is also going to be the maintenance video on this bike. I'm due for it already. I'm at 1,036 miles already on this bike, so I got to do the 1,000-mile maintenance on it. So there's going to be 2 parts to that, 2 videos. So wait on that. That's going to be in 2 weeks as well. So we got some content coming up. I got some other ideas coming up as well. Man, it just feels so good. I feel so free right now. It feels awesome. But that's my recap of the last few weeks, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. You know, I gotta say, this little ride right now has definitely helped me with my anxiety today. I don't even know why I have anxiety, but today's just one of those days, man. I just woke up with some anxiety, and man, like, I feel really free now. I feel like liberated. I feel like I could breathe. I needed this ride. This is why we ride, baby. This is why we ride. Who would have thought? Riding helps you. It's very beneficial for your health. That's gonna be my excuse from now on. I'm riding because it's beneficial to my health. Alright, guys, I think that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button and send to notify you anytime I have any type of new content. And like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.